Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of Nadamu. This is their dairy-free frozen dessert, cookie dough fudge, and we're gonna use some freeze-dried raspberries on top. So let's open this up, and if you guys want to read the ingredients, it's right there. Pause the video, and nutrient panel is right there. Alright, so there's the raspberries on top. There it is, guys. Let's try it out. It's actually pretty good. The raspberries give us some of that tartness, and the cookie dough is actually, it's sweet, so the raspberries do help with the sweetness. Definitely check out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.